champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Hello champions, welcome to our math lesson today. Today we're going to complete lesson 4 of your grade 3 module 1 workbook. Let's see if you understand the meaning of the unknown as the size of the group in division. First though, I'll need you to complete your lesson 4 sprint. This. See how many you get correct. Now, I want you to observe this group. What is the addition equation? 3 plus 3 plus 3, isn't it? Equals 9. So what is the multiplication equation? 3 times 3. 3 groups, and there are 3 in each group. 3 times 3 equals 9. See the next one. This group. How many in each group? How many hearts? There are 10. And how many groups? There are 4. So the multiplication equation is 4 times 10. 4 groups times 10, the size of the hearts in each group. 4 times 10 is 40. If you do the addition, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, you're also going to get 40. Here's another example. Observe the heart. How many groups? There are 3. How many in each group? 4. What is the multiplication equation? 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. If you count, you see it have 12. This one, there are 5 groups and 3 in each group. 5 times 3 is 15. Here's another one. There are 8 groups. 8 times 2 is 16. Now here's an application problem. The student council hosts a meeting in Mr. Chan's classroom. They arrange the chairs in 3 rows of 5. How many chairs are used in all? You need to read, draw, and write. 3 rows of 5. How many chairs will be in Mr. Chan's classroom? Let us draw that. That's 3 rows of 5. There are 5 in each row. Can you tell how many there are now? 15. Because 3 times 5 is 15. The same thing as saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So in Mr. Chan's office, there are a total of 15 chairs. That's so easy to solve, isn't it? Now, yesterday, Mr. Ziegler bought a new pack of 80 markers. He shared them with me by dividing them into 2 equal groups. Now, I have a bunch of new markers for marking our charts. Do you want to know how many he gave me? In this question, what are we trying to find? Is it the number of groups or the size of the group? Is the size of the group, because the question has told us that the groups are 2 equal groups. And he has told us that they shared 18 into 2 equal groups. So how would we know? I'm sharing it now between me and Mr. Ziegler. That is for Mr. Ziegler. I gave him 9. And now, if you count the one that he gave me, 9. So the unknown size, the size of the group, is 9. There are 9 markers in each of the 2 groups. 2 groups of 9. And what is 2 groups of 9? 2 groups of 9 is 18. That is the total marker we saw in the question. Now your 18 counters represent the markers, so use them. Divide your 18 counters into 2 equal groups by giving one to Mr. Z, one to me, one to Mr. Z, one to me. Let's do it like that. Okay, that's for Mr. Z, for me, Mr. Z, 3 for me, 4 for Mr. Z, 4 for me, 5, 6. We have 6, 6. Now look at how many we now have. We have 9, 9 each as he shared it. That is how to tell how many we each got. I'm repeating it again so that you see how we shared it. We shared it 9 for Mr. Z, 9 for me. Just say it again. 9 for Mr. Z, 9 for me. Now, using a complete sentence, tell how many counters are in each group. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. That's the sentence. We had 18 markers and you had 18 counters, which shared it into 2 and each has 9. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. We divided our 18 counters into 2 groups and we have 9. The 18 is our total, 2 represents our equal groups. Then the 9 is the size of the group. It is the unknown part we are looking for. Now suppose Mr. Ziegler had 15 markers and shared fairly with 3 teachers. How many will they have? Let's share it. Okay, teacher 1, teacher 2, teacher 3, they've taken 1, 1. They've taken 2, 2, that's 6. They take 3, 3, that's 9. They take 4, 4, that's 12. And now they've taken 5, 5, that is 15. The number sentence will be 15 divided by 3 groups equals 5. That is true. If you share 15 into 3, you have 5. Do you see that division is like multiplication, just the opposite of it? Division is the opposite of multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now this is how Diana arranged her star stickers. The 12 is the total of the stickers she has. The 3 represents the groups. The 4 represents the size of the group. That is 12 divided by 3 equals 4. That is the first equation. If you want to find the difference between these two equations, the first one tells us that if you share 12 into 3 groups, you'll have 4 in each group. The second equation is telling us that if you share 12 into 4 groups, you have 3 in each group. But if you're writing the division sentence in the answer, you see the first equation tells us the answer. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Because there were 12 stars, we shared it into 3 groups, and we found out that each person got 4 stars. The other equation would be if you share it into 4 groups, each person will have 3 stars. Division is simple. You just need to understand the question. What is 8 divided by 2? 8 is the total. 4 is the number of group. How many will they get? 2. That's correct. All right, now I need you to complete your lesson 4 problem set. These questions are similar to what we just did. Please see how many, solve and see how many you get correct, and bring your work to class for marking. See you. Bye.